Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Continue to my Linux series tutorial. Um, these days I'm working with WordPress and through Ubuntu on WSL. So after a series, I set up a new password for our WordPress using Ubuntu. In this episode, I would like to show you how to enable HTTPS for WordPress on WSL using a server-side SSL certificate. And yeah, by default, WordPress is on HTTP, which is not secure. So to secure your site, you need HTTPS. And because Let's Encrypt requires a public domain and real web server, it won't work properly on WSL, which is a local environment. So to replace for that, I create a series to create a server-side SSL certificate. Yeah, it's kind of practice, right? And this will let your site run HTTPS locally, but it's not signed by a trusted certificate authorities. Browser will want that it's not secure like that. And as I said before, so this is just practice and to for us and for my viewers to know more about SSL certificate and how to generate it, right? So come to the first step. We need to install OpenSSL and generate a server-side SSL certificate. So okay. So yeah, we need to create a folder to store our SSL certificates, and let's type the sudo command mkdir to make a directory, and which etc/nginx, right? Because if you watch all my video about install WordPress and set up a new password on WordPress, you know the previous the previous video I installed and opened WordPress using Nginx, so I will try to create a SSL in Nginx, right? And press enter, type your password. Alright, so we have to jump to the new folder we just created, copy it and paste it here. Now we have, so let's try to list to see is there anything. So there's nothing inside the SSL folder, so there's nothing. So this step will generate a new SSL certificate and private key using OpenSSL. So let's type this command sudo OpenSSL break q like this and minus x 10508. This means we'll create an x509 SSL certificate, and what's next? We have to use this is minus nose to make sure we don't encrypt the private key, and next in minus days. We should use for years and new key like this. New key make sure RSA to 048. This means we'll create 2048 big RSA key for encryption. And let's type minus key out like this and WordPress dot key and key minus out WordPress like this dot crt. This means we say that WordPress keys in this um, as WordPress CRT. I don't know much. Yes. And let's press enter. Make sure all the commands are right, and this will be a day from to make the certificate's validity to 1 year. Okay, let's press enter and see. Cool. Country name to letter. You're about to ask for enter information, but that will be incorporated into your certificate request. What you are about to enter is what is called distinguished name or a DN. For some fields, there will be a default value. If you type enter, dot, the field will be left blank. Okay, I will type my country name like Vietnam, right? Let's try it. Let's try it. Try. String too long must be at most 2 byte long. Okay, Vien. Alright, here we go. Stay a province name, full name. Some say like um locality name. Say no. Let's try no. I will say no. Organize unique name no. Common names. Oh, this will be. You have to note it in this because this is our local server, so we'll type localhost like this, and email address. I'll type my email address, right? Press enter, and here we go. So we just set up our SSL key. Alright, come to this next step. Let me thinking. So in the next step, we configure Nginx to use SSL, right? Alright, we have a SSL certificate, so we need to configure Nginx to use it. So let's type sudo nano /etc /nginx /size available /WordPress. Like this, I'll make sure you type all the folders correct. Right, press enter, and we have here. We have to config again. So let me see. Okay, we delete all of this. And I will set for my servers to listen on port 443 for my SSL key, and the server name is localhost. Alright, so the root are still the same. We have WordPress folder inside HTML folder. Okay, so this is our SSL certificate we just create and store. Now let's say by Ctrl O and press enter. Access by using Ctrl X. Alright. And if you guys want to give you a code, you can comment below my video, and yeah, I'll give you the code. And if you have anything unsure, you can ask me, or you can write an email to my email, because I just saw my email in this video. Alright, so onto the final step. With start our server, right? So let's type system, no, sudo systemctl restart Nginx, right? Restart our Nginx, and if it's not runs, okay, job for Nginx service failed because the control process existed with error code. So maybe some pork is running that make the Nginx can uh, active, right? And if you guys watch my previous video, you know how to check conflict port using this command to see minus is make sure. Alright, I have port ABGs running, so I need to stop ABG2 to start my Nginx. So let's see, let's type sudo systemctl stop APG2 right here. So let's copy this command again and restart Nginx. Okay, everything is fine. And we need to start our restart. No. MySQL, right? Okay. Let me see. Alright guys, and here we go. Now we open just type localhost like this. Show us that this site is not secure. It's not secure to this site. So uh, instead of go back and follow the recommend, we jump to advanced. If you're using Firefox, so we accept the risk and continue. Okay, so we have here we have our sales certificates using HTTPS here. Alright, here you guys can see which and just need to type localhost, and it will replace the HTTP to HTTPS. That's great, right? I think it's great because um, it's kind of practice, and you know how can create sales certificates for ourselves. Locals, and we gain more knowledge in this video. Um, okay, so I think I will check to the admin folder and see. Okay, we need to username. And if you forgot your password and username, you can jump to my previous video to see how to check your username and update your new password, because we are using HTTPS, right? So the password is no, no, it's holy. It's not holy. It's holy dev. Okay, it's kind of all right. So yeah, I think works well, right? Okay, so we come to the final step. We have to configure our MySQL again to work with the HTTPS, right? Alright guys, we can open our WordPress with HTTPS, and yeah, we'll come to the final update. We'll update our WordPress and config to use HTTPS with MySQL. So let's type sudo MySQL minus use for user root and minus password. You have to type your password. Okay. Okay, sorry, strong backward. So I'll try again. Right. I remember my password. Okay, we'll try. Oh, come on. I can't believe it. Alright guys, finally I got a new password because I confused the password for my SQL with my password for my WSLs. Okay, it's a big try, and just remember the password for my WSL is different than the password in my SQL. So okay, okay, I remember my database, right? I have the database name WordPress, and with the tables is okay. So I'm using WordPress. I jump to WordPress database, and now I need to update the site URL and home URL from my WordPress on localhost. And let's see, I will try this command. I'll try every command in lowercase, and this is options. And we set option value like this, and we have HTTPS slash slash local host. Alright, and this is where the option name in. We have two parameters. This is site URL, and this is home. Right, we have home and close the parentheses and press enter. Browse matches. So the query is okay to browse affected. Let's see. We try the same command after update with flood privileges. So privileges like this. Right. Sometimes I type wrong, so I type so slow. Press enter, and now okay, it's time to exist, right? We have nothing to do anymore. Alright guys, come back to the holy depth. So when we configure your database to accept HTTPS again, so your session will be expired and you need to log in again. Let's see. So inside your so now I will visit site. Alright, everything is fine, right? Our database is configured to HTTPS. Um, our WordPress admin is also HTTPS too. And when you jump to your WordPress admin dashboard, you can see your username and a sign at the house icon when click visit the site, and you see HTTPS / localhost here. Alright. Alright, so we just finished to open with SSL on localhost. So yeah, if you want to make the unsecure um, site disappear, you can try to install Google Chrome or Firefox on WSL. I mean your Ubuntu, and yeah, and I have already installed my Google Chrome on Ubuntu. So let's see here. And this is my Google Chrome on Ubuntu, so it's easy. So let's see when I type localhost like this, and alright, you see 1, 2, 3 forbidden, right? Alright, let's see. Let's try to. Okay, we have here. Right, so it still says insecure because you know I haven't shut down. We have to restart our WSL. Yeah, I'm using WSL, and if in your case you're using virtual machine like a VMware or VirtualBox, you have to shut down and restart. And yeah, I make sure does display. Okay, let's see. Let's see. I'll try it right. Okay. I'll try it to shut down my WSL now. And let's see. I will turn off my WSL and restart everything again. Alright, here we go. We close. And open again. Let's see. So now I'll check all the service by sudo command. So Nginx service is still running, right? So I will stop the Nginx service by sudo command too. Alright, so I'll restart again. Nginx. Alright, here we go. And now I'll also turn off my Google Chrome and I'll restart my Google Chrome again. Let's see. Okay, we have HTTPS. Alright, it still see insecure. I don't know why. Because before this I tried to log mkey search and it did not show this. I think it's unsafe because it's a kind of self-signed certificate, right? Is that right? Alright, then we have it, and I think it's still not secure because this is self-signed certificate, so Chrome doesn't recognize this because they know organization. I mean, it's not trusted from a real organization, so it's still seen not insecure. And I think instead of open your WordPress localhost on Google Chrome using WSL, you can prefer to open your own browser on Windows. And this is the dashboard. Alright, and I believe today's episode about create those SSL certificates on your Ubuntu yes, it's done successfully. And if you have any question or if you got any problem when you try to create your own self-signed certificate, you can comment under my video, and yes, I'll help you some advice. And it's okay, I don't know, so yeah, that's not the point here. And the point here is we gain a lot of knowledge and experience when we try to create self-signed certificates. And if you find this video is helpful, you can try to subscribe and like this video. See you next time.